Most people eat for convenience, but that doesn't mean you're nourishing your body. If you're relying on the American diet, then you're relying on nutritionally bankrupt foods. Many of these have awful chemicals such as pesticides, GMOs, artificial flavors, and refined sugars. The good news is you don't have to cut corners on nutrients. For the past 3 years, I've been enjoying these nutritionally dense superfood shakes. These are not your typical store-bought shakes.
That's great, but is it difficult to prepare?
Let me show you how. For less than $4 a serving, here is the short list of just some of the clinically proven benefits. These are great for people with busy schedules. Post questions in the comments. This is how we learn.